Hello dear aquarists, welcome again to my next case on fish diseases, and today it's about a South American tetra coming from Colombia. Yes, a wild African South American tetra. It's the Hemiodopsis gracilis with a bacterial infection and a few parasitic worm larvae. Details you can find about tetras also in my books on fish diseases, where I explain specific diseases that can help you. And this one, well, this one arrived very skinny, very weak. Sometimes can happen with wild fish that they are, exhausted and had certain problems with them. So it's time for us to do an examination. And we found in the gills some parts with gill rot. You can see here the parts where the gill lamellae have been disappeared, usually by bacterial infection. And he also found Metacercaria worm larvae taking away healthy gill tissue, and that's creating a problem. Internally, we found a very bad spleen. Look at the spleen, very mince, small, with all those melanoma etc. So that is not working properly, and due to a bacterial infection. Also in the liver, you see all the spots in the liver. Well, this liver is not healthy. And then we found internally, we found Metacercaria, those encapsulated worm larvae. We found also bacteria. Here we found another Metacercaria next to the gut, the intestine. So we had a mix of problems here, and particularly the bacteria is a serious problem, and the worm larvae encapsulated Metacercaria, well, this is a problem causing weakness of the fish. And these worm larvae, they can be a small infection in some of the fish, but in others it can be very serious. But here in this case, it's more likely that the fish need to be strengthened with good care and good food. You can try antibacterial medication, ask advice in your pet shop or from your fish doctor. Well, the care can strengthen the fish. You can help with that with a functional fish food, like our professional treat, or the grapefruit seed extract moringa. Those feed are functional and helping in the repair and from certain infections. Many details about fish diseases and treatments you find in my books. The link is below. And you can become a well-trained fish aquarist when following fish doctoring at my Patreon channel. So I hope this case on a wild tetra helped you to understand fish diseases and try to solve and give good medications. Thank you for watching.